Welcome back. And in this section, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your website responsive on all devices. So the first thing we have to do, our desktop mode is okay, but we need to adjust our tablet and our mobile device. So we have to go, let's start from our tablet mode. So the first thing we have to do is we just have to edit some things and adjust it. So the tablet and the mobile section, they take the characteristics that we added to the desktop. So we just need to ensure that some of it, can you see it shows 40 as the placeholder, but that is not. If you click on increase, it's going to reduce. Can you see? So now we want to ensure that we get something. I will change this from pixels to percentage. So you can see this drop down icon, you can select it and select so pixels to percentage, and I'll make it 70. I'll make it 70 pixels, then you can preview. Okay, also I'll do the same thing for this. I'll convert from pixels to a percentage and I'll make it 70 as well. Then I want to reduce the size or the distance between the icon and between the icon, the logo and the icon, the logo icon. So I'll add 50. I'll make this 50. Then I can leave the right. I'll just make this 20, the distance between that. Also I'll increase the logo from 15 to 25 or 20. Then I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this section, but this our other section is not. Can you see the distance, the border width, or the padding is too much? So I'll click on this section, then I'll go to our padding. I'll reduce our padding. Let me make it 10. Then I'll add padding to this. So also I want our section, I don't want it to be center, I want it to be at the top. So can you see? I want it to be at the top. So if you go back to the desktop, it still maintains its own characteristics. So this, I'll just select this. Let's go back to our tablet mode. So you can have different interface. So our tablet mode, then I'll add this section. I'll select this container. Then I'll add padding to it. So I'll make it 10, or let's say 20. This is 1 or 2, sorry. I'll make it 20. So if you preview it, you can see it has a nice look and feel, but the distance between it is too much. So I want to add the right padding. I'll make this one 10, that is not touching. Then I will increase this from 10 to 20. So the next thing is I'll go to this section. So but in this section we have our overlay, or we have our overview. This section is okay. We have our overview, and over here we have, when we have three columns and 2 rows, they look nice, but they look jam-packed or they look squished. Then all we have to do is just go to our layout, select your grid section, and on the tablet mode, change it from 2 columns. Make it 2 out of 3. So we have 3 rows. Can you see? We have 3 rows, but 2 columns. It's just like an inverted section. The other one but if you go back to your desktop, you still have our 3 rows, 3 columns, 2 rows. But if you go navigate to the tablet mode, we have our 2 rows and 3 columns, which is very nice. And this, we want to reduce the height and we are going to unlink it, then we'll edit. So the first thing is add, you can make this 50, then add your left padding, you can add 30, and this is, we are done with the tablet section. Now we want to edit it on our mobile device. So you go back to, you select your mobile. Like I said, whatever corrections or whatever thing that you had still maintains. So now I want to edit this mobile section. I will select this, then I will make my, you can see this is just a placeholder. It's showing that, oh, we have 20 saved, but this is not the actual size. So I'll make it 40. Then I want to pad my details. I want it to, the alignment to be to the left, or you can leave it to the right, but I always prefer left. So one of the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust it. So if you're checking this on mobile, it is the font size that we have, which is 36, is nice, but for mobile it's too big. So we are going to adjust this to 24. See, we have 24. Then I'm going to adjust this to the left. I'm going to adjust this to the left. Then I'll remove the custom padding that we have. I'll make it default so that it can take the whole section. So I'll make it full width so that I can take the whole section. Then we are going to add our own left padding. So the same thing, I will do this for this, make it full width. Then I would adjust it to, I will align it to the left. The same thing with our button, align it to the left. So when you navigate through, it's going to give you a nice look and feel. So now we have this, we have our logo, we have this as well. Then we have this section. So we want to change this from 18, we want to make it 14. Then our button, you can reduce the button size to 16 so that it's not too big. So we are going to increase this. Okay, we have this. The distance between this, we can increase it from 20. So let's maintain our 50 pixels. Then the bottom, let's increase it to let's say 50. So if you check it, this is how it's going to be on your mobile phone. So this is your logo, or you can also, whichever one you like, you can adjust your logo to the center, whichever design you have the authority, you have the flexibility to adjust it anyhow you like. So but I'm aligning mine to the center. So now remember we have a container. So I'll select my container, then advanced padding. I will now make my container, I will adjust it, I will make it 10 pixels, or let me make it 15. So you can see it's not touching. Then on the right, I can just make it 10 as well, so that it's not really touching. So I'll make my left, I'll make it 20 pixels. So I'll do the same for this. I will align it to the left. I will adjust this. I'll turn it from custom to full width. I will do the same thing here. I will just add the padding 50, then this one 20, then this 10. So the reason why this is still big is because we've not edited. So I will align this to the left, then I will change this to 14. You can make it 16 depending on how you want your design to be. So I'm sticking to, okay, let's use 16. Let's make this 16 as well. It's not too small. So we have our design. So now we have our story. We have our, so you just, this one is already aligned. All you have to do is just select it and make it 16. The same thing, you do the same thing for this. Just edit it, make it 16. So I'll do the same thing for this. It's always good when you have a unique design. So when you're navigating on mobile, the look and feel, you can easily navigate. So the same thing, so align this to your left, then this as well. You can unhook this and make it 50, then 20, and our right padding, make it 10. So now we have our container, and we want our container to have, it has a nice look, but the space in between is too much. So all we have to do is just click our container, then reduce the margin. You just have to select, like I said, these are just placeholders. So you can just reduce this to 10, or you can reduce it to 20 depending on your mobile device, and you can reduce this to 20 as well. So the distance in between will differ. So let's have this as 10. Let's have this as 10. So let's 20. And this, let's make it 20. So we'll do the same thing for all. Make this, navigate to this section, make it 20. And make this 20. Also, same thing here, make it 20, make this 20. The reason why it's fast is because we have everything attached together. So we have it 20, we have it 20. So if you have your server, you can work on it remotely, or you can work on a live environment or a staging environment, whichever way you like. Then you can select this and make it, you can put 20, and you're going to create 20. So this is what we have. We already have this one aligned, then that is what we need. You can extend this, you can change it from custom to full width. We already have our left padding, so that is why it is like this. So then always remember to publish. Publish means saving. If you don't publish, you've not saved, so you need to publish. And thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me to the end of the class. I'll still be posting many more videos, and I hope you follow, subscribe, and like. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever we post new content, and kindly share. See you